Hey everyone, this is Jamela back again with another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. And if you're new to my channel, I'm here to inspire you on how to thrift your house into a home. So go ahead and click that subscribe button so you'll get all the videos. Now let's get started. After you've made a change, you ever sat there and realized, something doesn't seem right, or you might have made a mistake and you got to second guess yourself? Well, that's what I did in my kitchen when I was sitting there one afternoon and I'm just looking. I'm like, something is just not right with my eyes. And it was the backsplash that I did, the peel and stick one. Now, don't get me wrong, I did like it, but for some reason it was just throwing me off when I was looking into the dining room. See, this view kind of had my mind looking kind of busy. So I said, I think I need to change that. And even my hand towel canister, I needed to change that. I kept trying to figure out what color was I going to paint it or maybe decoupage it. And since the other backsplash was all black, I decided to go with black and I painted the canister white. I found another brass swan, so I couldn't help but use that at the sink. And now my eyes feel a little bit more at ease and balanced. I have a secret to share, and that is I don't buy paper towels. I buy the hand towels when I go to estate sales. I always look for those, and that's what I use in my kitchen. So that canister is very important to me because I'm always plucking hand towels. And on this counter, I was very happy with what was going on with my little brass bookends and until my coffee pot broke. I've had it for a while, but I was pissed that it did break because now I had to go and buy another coffee pot. But and remember at the last yard sale, I bought these beautiful little canisters, and I like those on my kitchen counter. And I was pleased with how this looked until I got the new coffee pot. And I did treat myself to the Beautiful by Drew Barrymore collection. I bought the coffee pot because it was black and gold because I had that on my counter. Then the bread basket was throwing me off, and I said, I think I want a gold bread basket. So as I Googled the search for some, I found one for $65, and then that was at Wayfair. Then I found another one, Williams-Sonoma, which was crazy nonsense at $160. And then I found this one at Amazon for $22, but it didn't have the roll top. But this one did, and that was $172. So that was a bummer. And then I found this nice sleek black and gold one for $70, but those were all out of my price range when I already had one, so I just painted it gold. I already had a can of gold spray paint, so I just taped up the little handle and just sprayed it. And you know what, I like it a lot better. So my little vintage, authentic vintage one is sitting fine on my counter in gold. It makes me kind of realize, why didn't I do this in the very beginning when I was doing my kitchen makeover? But you never know, things just hit you on a whim and you decide to just go with the flow of it. But yes, I am liking the black and gold that's on the counter now. That's blending with my other thrifted finds in the kitchen. I mean, literally everything in this kitchen was thrifted other than my new coffee pot. All the decor pieces, I bought them at different intervals or different times at Thrifting, and I like them. This corner here, nothing changed because I like that painting, and everything is still the same there. So, I just like to go around and pick out things, and you never know when you're going to use them. Case in point, these little cups here that I always have a fetish for, but I get them, and now I use one of them as my little sugar packet at the coffee station. And then I have another one that I use when I have little teeny clippings and I want to propagate some plants. And that comes in perfect handy when you just need something little to propagate a little bit of stem, because I just can't bear to throw it away. And of course, I'm not using any more of those plastic containers as my water trays for my plants. So I went thrifting and I found another glass dish for just $3. And I'm going to use that as far as in my kitchen for another water tray for my plants. This is another copper tin that I like. Now, I don't even know what I'm going to use this for, but for $3, I did take that. And I also got the glass dish. And here it is on the caddy, on the plant caddy that's in the kitchen. I painted the flower pot gold, and it fits perfect under there. I hope this video inspired you to thrift some items for your kitchen. Thank you again for tuning in. And if you like this video, go ahead and drop me a comment, like, and share. And please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again. Bye.